Greetings, interwebs. Crikey, today we're hunting a truly elusive and nasty little bugger. That's right, a crafty little devil known as the Raccoon. Let's go get him, shall we?
Okay, so here's what I'm looking at from this little critter. I caught him on some surveillance camera, but it's really hard to make it out because it was late at night. But it's not an armadillo. I don't know what he is, but he's furry. And it didn't look like a possum or a raccoon. Not quite sure what it was, but yeah, he's tearing up my yard. There he is. Thinking maybe a raccoon?
The next morning.
Okay, I didn't see the back of the house. He has torn up everything. Holy moly. Whatever his critter is, it has to die. I mean, look at, he is digging up my entire house foundation.
3:28 a.m.
Oh yeah, I see the black around his eyes. That's a raccoon.
Day 3.
Yeah, there he is. Digging up the lawn, making a mess. And right there is where the cage is sitting. So hopefully tonight he'll be caught and I can haul him down the road and let him out in the woods. Far away from my house. Yeah. I see you. I see you right there. You're not being slick.
6.5 hours later.
So here we have small game trap. I'm going to set it out right here where he likes to come to eat. We'll put it here so I'm in front of the camera so I'll be able to get it all on film. This spikes it into the ground just to make sure he doesn't run off. Got this for my dad. According to Dad, a raccoon, well, chicken would just roll that thing completely across the yard. So, let's hope that doesn't happen. Now, bait the trap. You can't have a trap without bait. Chicken. I stopped at Winn-Dixie, got a roasted chicken, and these are the leftovers. Critters love chicken. So, see if I can remember how to do this. There we go. Set the chicken on this cardboard. Set it all the way in the back of the trap. We want him to step on that trigger. There we go. That'll get him. Okay, so this is how this works. Raccoon goes in, goes in the back to get the chicken and steps on that trigger. The trigger, when he steps on, pulls this, releasing this spring-loaded flap, and that's it. It's locked in place. And he can't open it. So, and because I'm right here in front of the camera, I'll be able to see him. So,
We wait.
So that's it for tonight. See you tomorrow.
The next morning.
Well, I had to go outside last night 3 different times to release cats from the trap. So, let's see if I got him. It's another stinking cat. Dang it. Why do I keep catching all these stinking cats? I think that's the same one I released earlier. It came back.
Tomorrow for sure.
Well, since the trap isn't working so well, I even tried putting sweets in there. And yeah, I still got that same black and white cat. I mean, he's just a glutton for punishment, I guess. I ordered some critter repellent and some grub killer. So we'll try that today and see what happens when it arrives.
3 hours later.
Okay, so Amazon just came. I ordered, this is Repel's All. It supposedly runs off things like raccoons. You spread it everywhere. They don't like the smell. It hurts their nose, so they stay away. The other thing I got, grub killer. I got thinking, this guy's digging up my yard to get grubs. And he's digging the heck out of my yard. He must be getting a lot of grubs. I must have grubs. So, figured I'll put this out along with the repellent, kill the grubs, get rid of the critters, win-win. So, yeah. I still haven't caught that stupid raccoon. I keep catching cats, especially that one black and white one. I've caught him like 3 or 4 times. Now, hopefully, this will do the trick. Let's get to it. Okay. The instructions, that you just sprinkle it around. Seems easy enough. And then when you're done, water it. Okay. Okay, so I'll let that sit and dry out for a little bit, about an hour I guess, and break out the spreader, and then put out the grub killer. It's supposed to also be like a fertilizer, so help replace some of this that raccoon destroyed. We'll see.
1 hour later.
Okay, so it's been about an hour. The water should have dried up by now, and the repellent should be nicely set in. Now it's time to put out the grub killer. You can see here, this is the back of the bag, and it's telling you all the good details. So yeah, let's get to it. And that's about it. I guess now there's only one thing we can do.
We wait.
Well, there you have it. A rather anticlimactic ending to the great raccoon hunt. I don't know if the noisy cats in the cages ran him off, or if he just found a better food source, or he ate all the grubs in my yard. Now there's no more food here. But he hadn't been back for the last 2 days, so yeah. What can I say? Sometimes things just don't go the way we planned. But, I mean, at least he's gone. He hadn't been back in the last 2 days. So, on that anticlimactic ending, be seeing you.